Hello and welcome back to my channel PharmaApex Tutorial. Today we'll see part 3 of unit 1, that is dosage forms, where we'll see introduction to dosage forms, classifications and definitions of dosage forms. So let's continue. So before going to dosage form, first we'll see what is the meaning of word dose. So the word refers to the specific amount of medication taken at a particular time. It's usually measured in weight or volume. In weight in mg and in volume in ml. Then what is dosage form? Dosage form is the physical form in which a drug is manufactured or administered. Example of dosage form include tablets, capsules, powders and oral injectable solutions. A drug may be available in multiple dosage form also. Now we'll see the classification of dosage form. Dosage form can be classified on the basis of three categories. First is physical state, second route of administration, third it is a site of application. Now we'll see classification of dosage form according to physical state, which is divided into four categories, that is solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, semi-solid dosage form and gaseous dosage form. Solid dosage form consists of unit dosage form and bulk dosage form. Unit dosage form consists of tablets and capsules. Bulk dosage form consists of tooth powders and dusting powders. Unit dosage form is the amount of medication administered to a particular patient in a particular time at a single dose. And bulk dosage form, these are the multi-dose preparations. And talking about liquid, it is divided into two types, that is monophasic liquids and biphasic liquids. So monophasic liquid forms refers to a liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system, and it is represented by true solutions, which contains syrups and lotions. Syrups are of various types, that is medicated syrups, flavored syrups, invert syrups, etc. And lotions are the liquid preparation meant for external use without friction. Lotions are not applied on broken skin because it causes irritation. Biphasic liquids. Biphasic liquid dosage form are the drugs is prepared in two phases of the solutions. The two phases of solutions are solid and liquid. Biphasic liquid dosage form consists of suspensions and emulsions. A suspension has two substances in two different phases that are properly mixed. An emulsion has two substances in the same phase but immiscible with each other. Next is semi-solid dosage form. Semi-solid dosage forms are a type of medication that is neither solid nor liquid. They are somewhere in between the two states, which consist of creams, ointments, paste, gels, suppositories and pessaries. Talking about gaseous dosage form are packed in a container which gets released upon applying pressure, which consists of aerosols and inhalations. Now we'll see classification of dosage form according to route of administration, that consists of various categories. First we'll discuss oral. Oral dosage form refers to pharmaceutical formulation that are taken by mouth in a powder formulation, tablet, capsule, suspension, solutions, emulsion, elixirs, syrups, magmas, sachets, gel and pills form. Next is parenteral route, that consists of solution, suspensions and emulsions. Then intraocular dosage form, where the drug directly goes into the eyes of the patient, that consists of solution, suspension and ointments. Next is transdermal. A transdermal dosage form refers to a medication delivery system that delivers drug through the skin to systemic distribution, which contains of ointments, powders, creams, lotions, paste and plasters. Next is sublingual dosage form. It refers to a type of medication that is administered under the tongue and absorbed through the mucous membrane into the bloodstream, which consists of tablets and lozenges. Next is vaginal dosage form, that refers to a medication delivery system designed to be administered into the vagina for local or systemic effects. These dosage forms are in the form of suppositories, tablets, ointments, creams and douches. Next is conjunctival. The term conjunctival dosage form typically refers to medication specifically formulated for administration to the conjunctiva, which is the mucous membrane that covers the front surface of the eye and lines the inside of the eyelids, that consists of ointments. Next is intra-respiratory dosage form, that typically refers to medication or formulation intended for administration directly into the respiratory tract, which consists of aerosols. Next is rectal dosage form. A rectal dosage form is a medication formulation designed for administration via the rectum. These dosage forms are used for both local and systemic effects and are particularly useful when oral administration is not feasible, such as in case of nausea, vomiting, or difficulty in swallowing. These consist of suppositories, enemas, and ointments. Next is intranasal dosage form, that refers to the formulation that intended for administration into the nasal cavity, which consists of solutions, sprays, inhalations, etc. Next is urethral dosage form, which is a form of medication formulation designed for administration into the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body, that consists of suppositories. I have already attached the file in the description box where you will get all the definition of these terminologies, so it will be easy for you to understand the terms. Now we'll discuss classification of dosage form according to site of applications. So it is divided into various categories. First, that is skin. For skin, there are ointments, creams, lotions and liniments. Next is eye. For eyes, there are ointments, creams and solution that can be used for the infections or any problem related to the eye. Next is tooth. Here we use tooth powder and toothpaste. Next is hands. Hand wash, lotions and hand creams comes into it. Next is foot. In this category we use as cream, ointments and dusting powder. Next is hairs. Hair cream, hair lotion, shampoos, hair fixing agents are used into this. Next is nasal. Here we use solutions, sprays and inhalations. Extra suggestions will be, if you will write the example of these categories or these dosage form, that will be the plus point for you into the exams. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for watching.